On behalf of the All India Trinamool Congress, welcome to this press conference at our party office in Delhi. There are three of us here today. On my left, she has just left the Dharna site outside Gandhiji statue at Parliament, Shanta Chetri. As you know, Shanta Chetri and Dola Sen and MPs from 10 political parties are continuing the dharna, which will carry on till 23rd of December. Just one slight change because it started raining. So when it is raining, they will just move from Gandhi statue site just to the entrance to gate 1. That's it. It's continuing, and MPs from all political parties are coming there to show their solidarity throughout the day. So that's the story on the dharna, which will continue till December 23. On my right, I forgot to introduce Sushmita Deb, my new colleague in the Rajya Sabha and also a spokesperson of the party. So today, let us begin with the first point. At 1 p.m., 7 or 8 different press clubs, including the Press Club of India, are protesting for journalists. When I say journalists, I mean all journalists, reporters, videographers, photographers, correspondents, news gatherers, everybody. There has been a clear attempt to shut out all democratic arms. So for the journalists, this morning, when they announced at 1 p.m. that they were going to protest meet at Press Club, our chairperson, Mamata Banerjee, she is also the leader of our parliamentary party, had a quick discussion and guided us to issue a statement which she dictated, and we took the statement and handed it over to the President and to the Secretary of the Press Club, showing solidarity. The statement is with you, so I'm not reading it out, but basically it says, we call for the immediate restoration of all facilities to the journalists to cover Parliament so that the institution is strengthened. So this is the letter which we've sent out also on the social media. We did not give any speeches there. We just went and gave the letter. Again, as per the guidance of our chairperson, we didn't want to make any political speech in the Press Club. That's why we only went and gave the letter. So this is on the letter. Allow journalists to enter Parliament. Our second point today is, what is this government doing in Parliament? The young people of India need to know. Everybody in India needs to know. Parliament, government above that. So the government, Parliament. The government is accountable to Parliament. Parliament is accountable to the people. Please understand. So it's government, Parliament and people. So when the government, this government, doesn't want to be accountable to the people, they disrupt, they shut out Parliament. They don't want Parliament. So what do? You suspend 12 MPs for some incident in the last session. It's another matter that the MPs were protesting because you, government, did not want a discussion on internal security. You ran away. Supreme Court then got you on track. You bulldozed the farm bills. Second, what do after you suspend 12 MPs? 12 MPs. Number 2, you stop the media from entering Parliament. Every time you do this, it's like putting one wall around Parliament. So the first is the MPs. Second wall, what do you put? COVID excuse, and you say media not allowed. Then what do? The only outlet for that is what? Your government channel, your Sangsad TV. I would, on behalf of the Trinamool Congress, humbly appeal, not shout, not scream, appeal to the presiding officers of both houses is please, sirs, rectify television coverage. That is censored television. In my previous avatar, I had little knowledge about multi-camera shoots. What is happening there? You are keeping the camera on a close-up of the presiding officer. From one close-up of the presiding officer to the second close-up of somebody from the government speaking. All mid-shots censored. All long shots censored. All protests censored. This is the censorship. All India Trinamool Congress demands that the censorship has to stop. You're suspending the MPs, you're stopping the media, and you're censoring. So you're making Parliament, as someone said, into a secret chamber. Into a secret chamber. For the BJP, of the BJP, by the BJP. It's a secret chamber. This is what we have to say. বাংলায় বলি, আমাদের যে ধর্ণা হচ্ছে কারণ 12টা এমপি সাসপেন্ড হয়ে গেছে, আমাদের দুজন রাজ্যসভা দোলা সেন, শান্তা ছেত্রী আর 10টা আরও এমপি, 12 জন এমপি, আমাদের ধর্ণা চলবে গান্ধী মূর্তির বাইরে পার্লামেন্টে 23 ডিসেম্বর অবধি। প্রত্যেক দিন 10টার সময় সকালে শুরু হচ্ছে, আর যখন হাউস শেষ হচ্ছে সেই সময় ধর্ণা শেষ। 2 নম্বর, আজকে আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী, আমাদের চেয়ারপারসন মমতা ব্যানার্জির নির্দেশে আমরা একটা স্টেটমেন্ট দিয়েছি প্রেস ক্লাবকে, 7-8টা আলাদা আলাদা প্রেস ক্লাব, সেখানে ওদের একটা বিক্ষোভ চলছিল। কেন? কারণ ফটোগ্রাফার, ভিডিও জার্নালিস্ট, সাংবাদিকদের পার্লামেন্টে ঢুকতে দেওয়া হচ্ছে না। এই চিঠিটা আমরা গিয়ে পার্লামেন্টারি পার্টির তরফ থেকে প্রেসিডেন্ট এবং সেক্রেটারিকে প্রেস ক্লাবের আমরা এটা দিয়ে এসেছি। আমরা চাই যে আমাদের সাংবাদিক ভাই বোনেরা, ফটোগ্রাফার, ভিডিওগ্রাফার, তারা সব পার্লামেন্টে যায় তাদের কাজ করতে। আমাদের যে বক্তব্য যে এই বিজেপি সরকার করছে এটা কি, এরা পার্লামেন্টকে, ওরা পার্লামেন্ট চায় না, কারণ ওপরে হচ্ছে গভর্নমেন্ট, গভর্নমেন্ট যা কাজ করবে তার উত্তর দিতে হবে কোথায়? পার্লামেন্টে। আর পার্লামেন্ট সাংসদ তারা রেসপন্সিবল টু হু? জনগণ। তো এই সরকার চায় যে পার্লামেন্টটা বন্ধ রাখলে ওপর থেকে গভর্নমেন্ট জনগণকে কোনো উত্তর দিতে হবে না, আর উত্তর দিচ্ছেও না। কজন মরেছে কিষাণ আন্দোলন, কজন মরেছে জানি না। ডিমনিটাইজেশন কজন মরেছে জানি না। আমাদের বক্তব্য, এমপিদের সাসপেন্ড করা হয়েছে, মিডিয়া ঢুকতে দেয়নি পার্লামেন্টে, এবং আমরা বলছি যে সাংসদ টিভি সেন্সরশিপ হচ্ছে। আমরা অ্যাপিল করছি, আপনারা প্লিজ ইউজ ইউর গুড অফিসেস, এটা বন্ধ করুন। এখন কি হচ্ছে আপনাদের বোঝাই, কারণ আমি একটু টিভি করেছি এক সময় 20 বছর আগে। শুধু প্রিসাইডিং অফিসার, তার মানে স্পিকার যে বসে আছেন আর চেয়ারম্যান যে বসে আছে, শুধু তাদের ছবি ক্লোজ আপে একটা ক্যামেরাতে আছে, ওখানে 10-12টা ক্যামেরা। আর এডিটিংয়ের সময় কি হচ্ছে, ওই ক্যামেরা থেকে দেখানো যাক ক্লোজ আপ আর আরেকজন বিজেপি সাংসদ। তো বাকি যেটা আমরা সব করছি, বিরোধী দল যে প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞেস করছে, হাঙ্গামা করছে, স্লোগান দিচ্ছে, কিছু না। পরিষ্কার আমরা অভিযোগ করছি এইটা সেন্সরশিপ হচ্ছে, সেন্সরশিপটা বন্ধ করুন। আপনি সাংবাদিকদের ঢুকতে দিচ্ছেন না, আপনারা এমপিদের সাসপেন্ড করছেন, তার মানে আর কি করছেন? পার্লামেন্টকে একটা ঘিরে রাখছেন দেওয়াল। এই পার্লামেন্টের ওপর যা আমরা কয়েকটা জিনিস বলেছি, শুড উই রিপিট ইন হিন্দি ইন 2-3 minutes? Should we? We should. I'm requesting my colleague Sushmita Deb. Hindi? How's your Hindi? Good? Just give me 2-3 minutes summary in Hindi. Then I have one more issue to discuss. But I just, because there were some requests we received yesterday to do Hindi also, so we are doing it. Yeah.
नमस्कार। जो डेरेक जी ने कहा वही मैं संक्षिप्त में हिंदी में कह देती हूँ कि आप लोगों ने देखा कि जब से सेशन की शुरुआत हुई है, जिन सांसदों को सस्पेंड किया गया अचानक से ही, और उसका कारण दिखाया गया जो पिछले सत्र में हुआ। मुझे लगता है कि पार्लियामेंट्री हिस्ट्री में, इतिहास में शायद इस तरह का सस्पेंशन कभी नहीं हुआ होगा। ये धरना चलेगा 30 दिसंबर तक। आज थोड़ा सा परिवर्तन आया है क्योंकि बारिश है, तो गांधी जी के मूर्ति के सामने से हटकर हमारे सांसद दोस्त जो 12 लोग हैं वो गेट नंबर 1 में बैठे थे ताकि बारिश में उनको भीगना ना पड़े। दूसरी बात जो डेरेक जी ने कहा कि हमारी चेयरपर्सन और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ममता बनर्जी के आदेश से आप लोग जानते हैं कि प्रेस काउंसिल की तरफ से एक आंदोलन हो रहा है। क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट में जब जर्नलिस्ट जाते हैं, हमारे मीडिया के दोस्त जाते हैं, तो लोकसभा चैनल और सांसद टीवी क्या दिखाएं क्या ना दिखाएं, एटलीस्ट जर्नलिस्ट बाहर आके देश को बताते हैं कि सदन के अंदर क्या हो रहा है। कोरोना के बहाने से पत्रकारों को पार्लियामेंट में नहीं बैठने दिया जा रहा, और हमारा ये मानना है ये भी एक तरीका है देश से छुपाने का, देश के छुपाने का कि इस सरकार की असलियत सदन के अंदर क्या है। यहाँ पे आपको पता है कि पारदर्शिता और जवाबदारी लोकतंत्र की बहुत बड़ी ताकत होती है। तो आपने जो सांसदों ने आंदोलन अंदर किया, आपने उनको सस्पेंड कर दिया, आपने पत्रकारों को अंदर जाने से मना कर दिया, और तीसरा और जो सबसे खतरनाक बात है, संसद टीवी जिस तरह से सदन के अंदर का कवरेज करती है, आप लोग बेहतर जानते हैं, आप लोग एडिटर्स हैं कि कैसे एडिट होता है। उनका कैमरा सिर्फ डेप्यूटी चेयरपर्सन पे जाता है और स्पीकर पे जाता है, और जब वो फ्रेम बदलता है, फ्रेम तुरंत भारतीय जनता पार्टी के किसी सांसद तक जाता है या मंत्री तक जाता है। तो सदन में जो विपक्ष के दल बैठे हैं या नेता बैठे हैं वो तो दिखते ही नहीं है, और पत्रकार अंदर जा नहीं सकते। तो जैसे डेरेक साहब ने कहा कि ये सीक्रेट चेंबर बन गया है, ये लोगों के लिए संसद नहीं है। इसलिए वी आर विद द जर्नलिस्ट, और चिट्ठी हमने पत्रकारों को पहुंचा दिया है।
थैंक यू। Okay, so before we take questions, we thought we will address one issue. As far as Parliament goes, this was fine, but we just thought we'll address one issue because this is an issue many of you have been talking about and asking us since the morning, is about over. Number one, if you look carefully, what she said was actually totally factual. We're not here to defend that. We're just here to, because she made one statement, so we'll just give you some more information about that. So the UPA, if you look at the history, 13th of May 2004 were the election results. The parties fought, 13th of May 2004. 16th or 17th of May, the United Progressive Alliance was formed for governance. That was the purpose. And on the 22nd of May, Professor Manmohan Singh, Dr. Manmohan Singh, was sworn in as Prime Minister. So it was set up on 22nd of May. What was the purpose of setting up the UPA? It was a very clear purpose, I'm sure, because it was post-electoral. It was set up for governance. In 2004, governance. And it was set up for governance, which continued after that. We're not getting into the merits and demerits of any governance. We're just giving you the facts. 2009, the same kind of set of parties, plus minus, was continued till 2014, till the elections were declared for 2014. So for the last 10 years, in fact, well, not only the last 1 year, the last 10 years there has been no UPA because there's no governance. The governance has been done by another political party, albeit bad governance now, albeit undemocratic, fascist, but it's somebody else. So this is the story on the UPA. The meaning of what was said yesterday. And even if you look at the numbers, that's another story. This is the main story. Even if you look at the numbers of the UPA then, so the second one actually doesn't arise, I'm only giving it to you more for theory. One party which had 150 seats then, now has 50. The left had 60 seats then, now has 6. The RJD had 25 seats then, now has 0. But these numbers also add up, but the numbers are irrelevant because there's no governance happening under UPA. This is the story. In Parliament, let me re-emphasize, there is complete unity on issues. I've already mentioned those 10 issues, including the sanctity of Parliament, including the issue of suspending members and all the other issues, price rise, fuel, disinvestment, BSF, all the common issues. But there's nothing wonky. If you see, one party will make a statement, they will walk out on price rise. Today, 2 other parties made the same statement and walked out after 3 minutes. Another party waited for 5 more minutes and then walked out. So within 10 minutes, everybody walked out. That's opposition tactic and everybody moving out. This is the point I want to make. And if there are any questions, this is a Trinamool Congress press conference. So हम लोग आप पूछिए, हम लोग 2-3 क्वेश्चन भी आंसर कर देंगे. अच्छा. तो यूपीए সরকার ইলেকশন হয়েছিল 13ই মে 2004, 16 বা 17 মে একটা পোস্ট ইলেকট্রাল একটা গভর্নেন্সের জন্য সরকারটা চালাবার জন্য ফর গভর্নেন্স 10টা 12টা 15টা পার্টি 300টা সিট ওইটা তৈরি করা হয়েছিল 2004 থেকে তারপরে 22শে মে ডক্টর মনমোহন সিং ওখানে প্রধানমন্ত্রী হয়েছিল ইউপিএ 1 তারপর কি হলো সেটা চললো 2004 2009 2009 2014 14 পর চলে এসেছে আরেকজন দুই পণ্ডিত হ্যাঁ তারপরে ইউপিএ শেষ এইটাই তো মূল Mamata Diji boleche yesterday. This is the end of the UPA. The UPA was a model setup. It was not a pre-poll alliance. It was set up for governance. The governance is over in 2014. The situation অনেক চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে আপনি যদি নম্বর যদি ওই অঙ্কগুলো দেখুন সেখানেও অনেক কত চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে গভর্নেন্স তো হয় শেষ 2014 সালে আপনি দেখুন ওই সময় কংগ্রেস কত ছিল 150 এখন হয়েছে 50 ওখানে লেফট কত ছিল বাম ছিল 62 হয়ে গেছে 6 আরজেডি ছিল 25 এখন হয়ে গেছে 0 এক সময় যখন আমরা মেসেজ করতাম না আমরা খুব এক্সাইটেড ছিলাম যে আমাদের ফোন থেকে একটা পেজার থেকে একটা মেসেজ যাচ্ছে ও মা কত দারুণ ব্যাপার ফোনে কথা বলতে হচ্ছে না তারপরে কি হলো এসএমএস এখন কি এসএমএস পাঠায় খুব কম পাঠায় এখন একটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ এইভাবে চেঞ্জ হয় গো You have to be in touch with the times and the reality. If there are any questions, I'll answer. Just 1 minute. Let me be fair. Let us do one language at a time. So let us start with you in the middle. I don't know which language. Huh? No, you choose.
खड़गे साहब ने ये कहा विधानसभा में विपक्ष के नेता है कि विपक्ष को यूनाइट रहना चाहिए और ये कहना बिल्कुल गलत है कि यूपीए एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती और ऐसा करके हम रूलिंग पार्टी को फायदा पहुंचा रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें यूनाइट होकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ करना है.
See, every political party is entitled to his or her opinion. We called a press conference today. Shanta Chetri was here, Sushmita Dev was here. On behalf of our party, we gave our point of view. Other political parties can have their point of view. Okay. Tomorrow, Shukendu Roy will come, Shogot Roy will come, Kakuli Ghosh. One day we'll come and give you our point of view. So different parties can have different points of view. I've given you our point of view. I've given you the facts that the UPA was formed for 2004 to 2014 for governance. I've only stated the fact. I've not said anything beyond that. Okay. And the focus of all this, हमको एक ही फोकस है, बीजेपी को हटाना है. ये बीजेपी को हटाना है. जो जिस राज्य में, आई एम ट्राइंग हिंदी एज एन एफर्ट, ओके, जिस राज्य में, ये मैं बोल जहां विपक्ष या पार्टी जो है, राजनीतिक दल जो है, वो बीजेपी को दूर रख सकता है, हम लोग वहां जल्दी में नहीं जाएंगे. जैसा मैं बोल रहा हूं, ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोल रहा हूं, हमको तमिलनाडु में अभी कोई यूनिट खोलना नहीं है तृणमूल को. डीएमके वहां है, अच्छा लड़ रहा है. दूसरा, हमको महाराष्ट्र में नहीं खोलना है कुछ यूनिट. मैं अभी की बात कर रहा हूं, नहीं खोलना है. हम क्या उत्तर प्रदेश में, हम लोग तो ये असेंबली में नॉट फाइटिंग द इलेक्शन. चलिए उसके बाद चलिए, इवन तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, हम लोग क्या अभी मध्य प्रदेश और राजस्थान में अभी टक्कर है, दो पार्टी का टक्कर है. तो वी आर वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. लेकिन वी विल नॉट अलाउ, इफ वी सी अ वीक ऑपोजिशन अगेंस्ट बीजेपी, देन वी विल गो इन. यू वॉच what we have done. एक मिनट मैं since I'm speaking in Hindi, I'll try. त्रिपुरा में मैं उदाहरण देता हूँ. त्रिपुरा में जो हमारा, she knows very much about Tripura, but I'll still speak about Tripura. One simple statistic on Tripura. First time we fought elections there, हमारा 20% प्लस वोट हुआ और कांग्रेस का हुआ 1% वोट से कम, below 1%. दिस इज अ मॉडल. मेघालय में हमारा एमएलए हो गया 12, होने वाला है 14, और ऑपोजिशन का था 17, तो हम लोग वहां ऑपोजिशन हो गया. ऐसा होगा. सो आई मेड इट वेरी क्लियर विच इज आवर प्रायोरिटी स्टेट्स, विच इज आवर मीडियम प्रायोरिटी स्टेट, एंड विच इज आवर लो प्रायोरिटी स्टेट. दिस इज देयर इज नो हाइड एंड सीक हियर, एंड द प्रायोरिटी स्टेट इज डिसाइडेड फैक्टर है. बीजेपी को वहां हटाना है और ऑपोजिशन वहां वीक है नहीं, वहां स्ट्रांग है तो हम लोग ने अभी नहीं जाएगा. लेट समबडी एल्स डू. 1 minute, just 1 minute. Since he asked in Hindi, we'll have in English.
So there are two things there. Now, Bhupesh Baghel, for example, has just given a soundbite where he says what transpired in the meeting between the Prime Minister and Mamata Banerjee. The Congress party is also calling the TMC a B team of the BJP. The BJP is smiling because you're taking pot shots at the Congress. Also, the comment of Mamata Banerjee yesterday. Where
ask me one question without the hands. I'll try and answer everything. So no, please ask me.
24/7, she said you need to be a politician. You cannot keep on going abroad. Now, all these comments, don't you think one question mark is being raised over the TMC?
No. My request to every journalist, I will answer every question. Please ask me one question, I will answer. Then you ask me second question, then I will answer. What is your first question?
So my question is that don't you think things have gone so bad now between the TMC and the Congress, where Congress calls you a B team of the TMC, you take an attack on the Rahul Gandhi, it is going to help the BJP. So how can you even talk about opposition unity in future?
You asked me about what one political party, their view about us. I will not get sucked into this and go to that level of giving a counter view. I will only tell you the facts. In 2017, when the Goa elections were held, 21 was the seats to pass. Congress party got 17 seats, had an alliance with the Goa Forward, 17 plus 3, 20, plus some independents. They couldn't reach 21. 12 Congress MLAs, 10 plus 2, went over to the BJP. 12, 10 plus 2. From Congress, कहाँ गया BJP? कौन था BJP का B team? तृणमूल कहाँ था उसमें? तृणमूल तो नहीं था 2017 साल में. एक. दूसरा, आपका 17 एमएलए था मेघालय में. हम लोग का क्या जो मिठाई खिलाया, रसगुल्ला खिलाया, मिठाई, नो, पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन. जो डॉक्टर मुकुल सांगमा ने, जो लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन वहां थे, हिज पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन इज सेज दैट हमको यही हमारा रियल कांग्रेस है, तृणमूल, यही बोला था. तो वहां तृणमूल कहां था? तीसरा, सो आई कैन गिव यू so many examples. I think political parties have to analyze what is happening. This is not my data, which suggests that every time बीजेपी और कांग्रेस से टक्कर होता है, कांग्रेस 90% टाइम हारता है. और जब बीजेपी के साथ रीजनल पार्टी, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग इन अ रीजन, वी आर ऑल नेशनल पार्टीज, then the performance of BJP is down. These are the facts. We have to look at the facts. Listen, opposition parties, everybody has to play a role to remove the BJP. So if you start these B team, C team, this is not in good taste, because you need to, I don't need to give advice to other parties. They'll find their own solutions. Just 1 second. Are you happy with anything else I have not answered of yours? Because you come after a long time, so I want to answer all your, any other question? No. So everybody will have. But I'm saying, let's be pragmatic. Let us be pragmatic. You have to be very clear as to what is the reality. What is the reality? And this is the reality. I did not change the Trinamool Congress had what role to play in Madhya Pradesh? What role did we play where the Madhya Pradesh government got changed? Was Trinamool Congress there?
So by what you
Just 1 second. 1 second. We did one English, so we did one English. So let's do now Hindi, English, Bangla. Bangla. 1 second. Bangla. Aminichi. Mova, we'll do all the questions. Don't worry. Nobody. Go to the book. Airport, after this. We'll do all.
সিএম দেখা করেছিলেন প্রধানমন্ত্রীর সঙ্গে, প্রধানমন্ত্রী আগামীকাল বাংলা বিজেপির এমপিদের সঙ্গে দেখা করছেন এবং যে খবর আমরা পাচ্ছি সিএম যা যা ডিমান্ড করেছিলেন ওরা সেগুলো কাউন্টার করবে, বিশেষত যে সেন্ট্রাল ফান্ড চাওয়া হয়েছে এবং তার পাশাপাশি ত্রিপুরার ভায়োলেন্সের কথা বলা হচ্ছে, বাংলাতে ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডার নেই সেই অভিযোগ তারা তুলছে।
শোনো ভাই, বাংলার 10-15-20 জন সাংসদ যাচ্ছে প্রধানমন্ত্রীর কাছে দেখা করতে। দেখা করবে না কেন? দেখা করবে, কথা বলবে, তারপরে প্রেস কনফারেন্স এসে আমরা শুনবো ওনারা কি বললেন। ত্রিপুরা ভায়োলেন্সে আমাদের তো সবাই তো দেখেছে কি হয়েছে, এত লম্বা ডোসিয়ার আছে ত্রিপুরা ভায়োলেন্সে, কত বাংলাকে বঞ্চনা করা হয়েছে, কত টাকা পেয়েছে, কত টাকা কোভিডে পেয়েছে। আমরা আরেকটা প্রেস কনফারেন্স করবো ওই সময়। হ্যাঁ, মহুয়া।
in reply to the earlier question on why Congress has been calling Trinamool the B team of the BJP or whatever. So going by your reply, I'm asking that so is Trinamool Congress looking to go into spaces where the Congress is weak? Very straight question.
I've given you a very straight answer earlier. I'll repeat my answer. Where the BJP has a strong opponent, we will go, but not now. We are expanding, so we cannot be suddenly expanding in 28 states. Of course, we have a great result in Bengal. Great. In 6 months' time, we'll suddenly open units in 25, 26 states. No. Obviously, it's a calibrated opening. And I've told you where we've opened first: Tripura, Goa, Meghalaya. Next, 3 more. Just let me finish. Next, 3 more. Next, 3 more. Like this, it will pan out like this. How come we are not looking at Telangana now? How come we are not looking at Andhra Pradesh now?
So what will happen if the congressman from Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu approaches you? What will be your stand then?
What will happen?
If the congressman from Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu approaches you?
This is a good question. Little tough. No, fair. So the question is that you said you're not. What you're telling me is that we said that Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, you're saying the Congress is strong. So what will happen to if people from that party approach us? Yeah. So they know that whoever, they know that which everybody knows. I'm saying it not in secret. What are our priority states? So our priority states are our priority states. Our focus is our focus state. So whoever is there, a hypothetical question you answered, I'm giving you a hypothetical answer because these things are not decided by three of us here at the press conference. They are decided by our working committee, which had 21 members. We'll have more members from across the country and a new constitution. But just as a matter of fact answer, I can tell you, seems like we will not engage with them because that seems to be a policy of focusing on certain states. So we're not here to go in one state and get one MLA, go to another state and get one. No, we are here to become the lead opposition in the state or to win the state. Tripura, Goa, Meghalaya are three solid examples of this. Bhai, bha. Sir. এইসব বৈঠক শোনো, আমি আপনাদের ডে 1 থেকে বলছি পার্লামেন্টের 10টা 11টা 12টা ইস্যু আছে, ঠিক আছে? এমনি যদি চা খাবো কফি খাবো 10টা 12টা ইস্যু আছে, এই 10টা 12টা ইস্যুতে কোনো প্রবলেম নেই, সবাই তো ধর্নাতে বসছে। ওটা তো কার ধর্না? ওটা তো তৃণমূলের ধর্না। আমি বলছি না জানো এটা আমাদের না, এটা তৃণমূলের ধর্না নয়, ওটা কংগ্রেসের ধর্না নয়, ওটা সিপিএমের ধর্না নয়, ওটা সিপিআইয়ের ধর্না নয়, ওটা শিবসেনার ধর্না নয়। আমাদের 12 জন সাংসদ, বিরোধী দলের সাংসদ, ওরা বসছে, আমরা একসাথে আছি।
একটা প্রশ্ন আছে, যেটা আপনি বললেন যে ইউপিএ নেই, কেন নেই সেটা বললেন 10%। অপোজিশন যে পার্টিগুলো আছে তার মধ্যে কংগ্রেস রয়েছে, আপনারা কি মনে করেন যে অপোজিশন যে টোটাল পার্টিগুলো আছে তাদের মধ্যে নেতৃত্ব চেঞ্জ করার দরকার?
লিডারশিপ অফ দিস পার্টিস মনে, হ্যাঁ অবশ্য তাই মনে হচ্ছে। যেখানে কনসেপ্টটা নেই সেখানে তুমি বলছো কনসেপ্টটাই নেই, তো সেখানে নেতৃত্ব তো নতুন, আপনি এটা কনসেপ্টই তো নেই, ইউপিএ বলে কিছু নেই, তার মানে একদম ফ্রেশ স্টার্ট করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? বলো। Please understand, there is no UPA. So what are we talking about changing? What are we talking about changing? There could be collective leadership. My leader has made it clear so many times when she's asked whether she wants to be prime minister. You haven't heard Mamata's answer. I'll repeat the answer. She's always said, I am at the back. I am the LIP, not the VIP. I'm the least important person. This is Mamata's attitude. Mamata is here for a cause. Mamata is here for a struggle. Mamata is here for somebody who has not got everything easy. And the struggle did not start with CPM. Since we are in the mood of a talking mood today. No, the struggle actually, Mamata's personal struggles actually were in the, if you read so much of her biographies, is actually in the mid-90s. The mid-90s was the struggle between where she was not getting a chance to express herself in the Congress party. She had one line at that time: I have to defeat the CPM. And you in the Congress in the mid-90s, I don't want to mention the names of the dear departed, were not serious about taking on the CPIM. So she had to step in. She didn't inherit the party, she stepped in and set up the Congress party, the Trinamool Congress. History of the parties which have came out of the Congress, there are very few who either they get subsumed back into the mother party or they disappear. Mamata Banerjee, 3-time chief minister, 180 seats, 211 seats, 215 seats, 7-time MP, 4-time minister. This is the credentials. She doesn't need to go around with her biodata. तुम्हारा तो आप लोग तो पूरा एक मैराथन सेशन कर दिया। नहीं पार्लियामेंट मैं समझ गया क्या हो रहा है, नो प्रॉब्लम। पार्लियामेंट नहीं चल रहा है तो एटलीस्ट तृणमूल कांग्रेस ये बीजेपी ऑफिस में जाएगा, ये तो आंसर भी नहीं मिलेगा।
Because of the cases against Abhishek Banerjee,
Yeah.
TMC is basically
Yes.
breaking opposition.
opposition unity is the least of importance of the issues facing this country today. There are much bigger issues. Please read what you read in your civics books in class 6, 7 and 8 in school about parliament, about independence of media, about the importance of being elected members in parliament, about legislation, about what happens. The civics book told you that great parliament of ours is now becoming a closed, dark chamber where BJP and RSS only can discuss their secrets. These are the issues. Number two, think about these issues. Unemployment. Think about disinvestment. Whenever disinvestment happens, the boys and girls of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes lose jobs immediate as soon as the privatization is done, because there's no. Think about this. Border Security Force in the federal structure, 30, 40, 50% of a state is being grabbed by BSF. What happens to federalism? Think about it. When 67 central sponsored schemes, the percentage of the schemes has changed. These are the issues. Think about it. 20 years ago or 10 years ago, when you had to build railway lines, the centre paid for it. Now there's a new PPP model where the state will pay half. Think about the fuel prices. Think about what is our status in the World Press Freedom Index. From 180 countries, we are 142. And I salute those journalists. And today, since we are in the thing, let me tell you, media owners show us some spine. Spine का हिंदी क्या होता है? रीढ़ की हड्डी. ठीक बोले छी? रीढ़ की हड्डी दिखाओ. आप लोग जो मीडिया ओनर है. These are the issues. Now you're telling me who went to the opposition meeting? Nothing. We are on these issues. There is no second. There is no second guessing. You want to do a full interview? Times of India after that will publish one column only. And there's a joke. Arey bolo na. Ask no. Ask me 10 no. Try and ask one in BJP office. हाँ बोलो. Okay. Mohwa, don't take it so seriously. पूछो ना यार क्या है? और 5 question. Please go ahead. You're a senior journalist. I respect you so much. Chalo.
You seem to have a problem with questions from TUI, but I still have to ask because I have to do my job. Point is, you just listed issues, which is exactly what I wanted to ask you. That do you think that, on day one, by suspending members, 12 members from Rajya Sabha, government did exactly this, that, caused the disruption so that you are not in the house to discuss these issues? That's my question.
What is your question? Did the government do this?
The disruption happened because of the suspensions, which the government did on day one.
You're absolutely
so
right.
That you could not take up the issues.
You're absolutely right. That's why I explained, and let me quickly explain again. The government is accountable to Parliament. Parliament is accountable to the people. So if the government does not want to answer to the people, it will disrupt Parliament. That's it. In 30 seconds. It's basically that. Government, Parliament, people, disrupt Parliament, don't be answerable to the people. Simple.
সংসদে বিভিন্ন ইস্যুতে বিরোধীরা একজোট থাকলেও সংসদের বাইরে রাজ্যে রাজনৈতিক লড়াই বিরোধীরা কি একজোট থাকবে আর থাকলেও সেই জোটে কি তৃণমূল থাকবে?
আমরা এখন প্রত্যেক রাজ্যতে আলাদা আলাদা. ইন্ডিয়া ইজ আ ইউনিয়ন অফ স্টেটস. সেইভাবে আমাদের রাজনীতিতে ইলেকশনের জন্য এগোতে হবে. তোমার ভালো লেগেছে কালারটা? ব্যাস ঠিক আছে. আরে গতকাল আমি একটা সাদা শাল পরে এসেছি, আজকে ব্রাউন শাল পরে এসেছি. একটু এত আমি দিচ্ছি. What is your question?
The Congress's direct charge against your leadership, including your National General Secretary, saying all of this is being done, breaking the opposition to protect yourselves against the agencies.
So I will ask 3 questions in retaliate. 3 questions as a counter to that. 3 questions as a counter to that. Your Meghalaya MLAs left and join Trinamool Congress. 1. 2. Your Goa MLAs, out of the 17, 12, 13 ditched you, gone. Your Madhya Pradesh government, we all know what happened. So these are the issues. See, if somebody doesn't want to smell the coffee, with all humility I say, the facts are there. Smell the coffee. You're not going to get me drawn into any kind of argument on this, but we want everybody to smell the coffee. People are there. People are there. People are saying. Now, if you want to push me, then I'll have to say. In 294 seats in Bengal, 294 seats in Bengal, when it was a very difficult fight, because only two people were campaigning there, Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah, and they had nobody else. Those two were there. And all the money, 2 media channels were also opened. That time nobody asked about opposition unity. 294 seats. Alliances were formed. Nobody wanted to discuss. I didn't want to get here. But since you're carrying on and carrying on and carrying on, this is the reality. Chalo, that is over now. 2/3 majority without anybody's help. Now if you ask us why we have to go to some meeting and why we don't have to go to some meeting, no. We have the credentials, we have the credibility, and like in cricket is very important. You can have all the credentials, you can have the credibility, you have to have current form. Yes, Trinamool has the current form. I'm speaking in cricketing terms.
But BJP's number
But it
also,
still has only 42 seats
BJP's number also increased in Vidhan Sabha.
to conquer on its own.
Anything else?
Sir, of course, as you are claiming that in Parliament the unity is there, but Prashant Kishore's tweet was there where it says that Congress leadership not divine right of an individual, and also after no UP.
So this one.
So, sir, also that is connected. Sir, also after
think
no
it's
UP
connected.
comment, Congress to launch all-out attack against Mamata Banerjee, and also Digvijay Singh has stated that.
No, what do you want me to say? To which
All
one?
these are connected. Like
Congress is going as not a
Okay, so first one, you want a response on Prashant Kishore's statement. That you will have to ask Prashant Kishore. That you go to Prashant Kishore or IPAC and ask them for that. This is All India Trinamool Congress press conference. He's given a tweet. I'm sure he's more than capable of answering his own. Next.
Next one, like after this no UP thing, Congress to launch all-out attack against Mamata Banerjee, and also Digvijay has stated that can any political alliance formed against BJP without the Congress?
So, this is a democracy. People will have different opinions. We will keep sharing our opinion. And I've given you as many shades of that opinion. Now, these are different opinions. They will all be allowed to. This is fine. Everybody can say what they want. Everything, we don't have to have a counter. I've given you the broad parameters of what we are saying. Shesh.
But will you counter attack on Sonia Gandhi?
You see, I think what is important here, you say counter-attack and counter-attack. Let us stay on the issues. All of us in politics, in different parties, when we are not with the same ideology or we are opposition in government, we are political rivals across. Shanta Chetri is not my political rival. Sushmita Dev is not my political rival. But other political parties with a different ideology are political rivals. Or nobody is a political enemy. And certainly there are many like-minded parties. So our thinking can be the same. We can differ on issues. There is no, from Trinamool Congress, I want to tell you, there is never been, and that's what we've learned from Mamata, there's never some personal, dirty kind of, yes.
So when you're talking about accountability in the parliament, when there was a debate on pollution going on, the house was disrupted. Firstly, why? And secondly, don't you think that also helps the government in a way?
Now, what do you want to do? Who is responsible for the disruption? That's my question. Government is responsible for the disruption. They don't want any discussion. So they don't want to discuss pollution. You know, and what is this last point? What is this last point that we'll end? What is this saying? You want to express regret. You express regret, then we'll take you back. What is this? Is this some kind of a teddy bear's picnic? You pass some laws, then one morning you say, 9 o'clock I'm coming. I express regret. I withdraw the laws. What is express regret? 8th of November 2016, you made an announcement, then you said, give me 50 days. I express regret after. What is express regret? No way. And I can tell you, because I spoke to the different MPs today and the leaders of the other opposition parties, Shukhendu Shekhar Roy also spoke. There's no way any of those MPs are going to express regret.